Have you ever wondered what lies inside a black hole? Those cosmic enigmas that seem to defy the laws of physics. Today, we embark on a fascinating exploration into the mysterious depths of black holes, unraveling their secrets and pondering the mind-boggling theory that our entire universe may be nestled within one. Get ready for a mind-expanding journey like no other. Let's start by diving into the captivating world of black holes, celestial objects born from the dramatic collapse of massive stars. As the star implodes under its own gravitational pull, it forms a black hole, an entity with a gravitational force so powerful that nothing can escape its grasp, not even light itself. But what lies beyond that seemingly impenetrable event horizon? To understand what lies inside a black hole, we must first explore their formation and properties. Black holes poses an event horizon, a boundary beyond which anything crossing it is forever trapped within its gravitational pull. Beyond the event horizon lies a singularity, a point of infinite density where the known laws of physics break down. Black holes come in various sizes and types. Stellar black holes, formed from the remnants of massive stars, are relatively smaller in size but pack an immense gravitational punch. On the other hand, supermassive black holes, lurking at the centers of galaxies, have millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, exerting a profound influence on their surroundings. Now, let's delve into the tantalizing question: what lies within the mysterious depths of a black hole? The singularity at the center is a point of infinite density, where our current understanding of physics breaks down. It's a realm of profound strangeness, where space and time are warped beyond imagination of knowledge. To unlock the secrets of black holes and the enigma of what lies inside, ongoing research and exploration are crucial. Advancements in technology and space missions allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos, collecting valuable data and observations. Scientists are tirelessly studying gravitational waves, analyzing the behavior of matter falling into black holes, and probing the mysteries of quantum gravity. The pursuit of knowledge knows no bounds, and the mysteries of black holes continue to captivate scientists and astrophysicists worldwide. By unraveling the secrets of black holes, we not only gain insights into the fundamental nature of the universe, but also expand our understanding of the fabric of space and time itself. Before we conclude, I invite you to embark on further cosmic adventures by exploring the other captivating chapters in our Brief Answer to the Big Questions playlist. From the birth of stars to the exploration of distant galaxies, each video takes you on a journey to unlock the wonders of the universe. Don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your cosmic knowledge. Subscribe to our channel and be part of our ever-growing community of